If your service truck looks anything like my garage, you've got a ton of equipment you have to work with every day. Not only that, you've got to carry it from job site to job site or run back and forth to your truck during the day. So portability, efficiency, without sacrificing the quality that you demand is critical to what you do. So let me show you how we're going to make your life even easier. So first, this is probably what you work with every day. This is a traditional tote, and the important thing to remember about this is this oxygen. And here's why I'm going to show you that. 20 cubic foot oxygen, that's about 15 pounds of weight that you have to carry. Now, let me show you this. 3.7 cubic feet, only 5 ounces. That's all you've got. 5 ounces versus 15 pounds. I don't know about you, that's much easier for me to carry. So while this is very important, obviously this is one of the main points of this particular kit, let's not forget about the rest of the outfit that you've got. In our TurboTote, what you get is our traditional G-series regulator. Now, what people normally would ask is, what's important about that? Let me show you. Easy to understand. We color code the knobs so that you know exactly what fuel they should be going on. If it's green, that's oxygen. In this case, the orange, that's telling me that that's an alternative fuel, something other than acetylene. The other thing, the gauges, high contrast gauges. It just allows you to easily see both the contents and the pressure that you're working with. Let's move over to the torch. The J28, this is one of the standard in the industry. It's been around for decades. This is what all of the operators go with. It comes with our standard WJ series nozzles that have the replaceable tip ends. We come with 2, a size 4 and a size 6, but you can get others, even a heating assembly that can mount up to this easily. The other thing, everyone knows that Victor is all about safety. We never, ever deter from that. So we provide check valves and flashback arrestors in an A series that can mount directly to your torch. Again, it's not just safe, it's Victor safe. The other thing that we do, our hoses, we only work with grade T. Now grade T, most people should know, it's designed to work with alternative fuel, but a lot of people don't realize the other nice thing about a grade T, it also has a flame retardant material as well as an oil resistant material. Much better hose than some of the other product in the market. Last, but certainly not least, the tote itself, the bag, the utility bag that comes with this. This is not one of those little cheapy bags that you're going to throw away as soon as you get it. This is an industrial bag that you will use day in, day out for years. So altogether, this is going to get you what you need to answer those questions. I need portability, I need efficiency, and guess what? I don't sacrifice the quality that I demand in my job. This is it. If you found this information useful, check out our other videos. It's over here. Check out our other videos on other oxy-fuel related products and applications.